What is going on, YouTube? Thank you for watching the channel. This video is about the DJI Osmo Pocket slow motion capabilities. So let's jump into the video. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take a look at this video. And there's two ways you can do slow motion on the DJI Pocket. You can do it in post-production with your video editing software, or you can do it with the DJI Pocket slow motion mode capability. So, as you can see right now, we have a kayaker surfing this wave, and the water flows over this rock, and it creates this hydraulic effect that allows the kayakers to stay in that wave and surf it. So as you can see, this guy's enjoying this wave, and I am filming this with the DJI Osmo Pocket in slow motion mode. So it's running at 1080p at 120 frames a second. The quality is fabulous. You can see the individual droplets here. You can see him turning the kayak ever so slightly, and it's just a really good quality video for a little DJI Osmo Pocket. It is fantastic. It looks great. So the other way to do the slow motion capability is to run the camera at 60 frames a second, and with your video editor, you slow down the video at 50% playback mode. So that's what we're going to see next. In the next clip, you'll see an inflatable with about 4 people in the inflatable, and there I used VSDC Pro video editing software to play it back at 50% of its speed to give you the slow motion capability. So that's the two ways to do it. Which one do I prefer? Well, I prefer, obviously, the inherited built-in method with the DJI Osmo Pocket. So here we go. You see the inflatable sliding back, and I am slowing this action down with the video editor. So as you can see these 4 people in the inflatable. They are just paddling as hard as they can to get back upriver and get into this particular wave right in front of me. The next thing I'm going to do is just walk right up as close as I can and start videotaping. So once again, this is done in post-production with the software. So, which one do I like best? Well, this is actually pretty cool because you can be more creative, because you can slow down the video and then have a normal mode again, as we're going to see here later on in this clip. I will speed it up to normal speed, and that gives you that capability. So which one do I prefer? If it's just going to be slow-mo, I prefer using the built-in firmware slow motion mode that's in the camera. But this is fantastic. I mean, look at the quality of this 1080p at 60 frames a second. Oh yeah, that's one thing that I forgot to mention. I shot this at 1080p at 60 frames a second. So it would be an even comparison between the two clips. I want to thank you guys for watching the channel, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you like the contents of the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.